You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired. And, well, first things first, to all of my American friends, happy Thanksgiving. And I'm so sorry to interrupt you in the middle of your Thanksgiving festivities. However, we have a new Cricut mystery box, and in the mystery box is a new Cutie. And when I opened this box, I said, ooh, because not only is it pretty, but to me, it's a fun box too. Also, please excuse my voice. I'm sick, hopefully getting over being sick by now. So my voice is rough. I apologize for that. And I was so excited with the materials, I almost jumped right into the materials. But first things first, new Cutie. And the new Cutie color is, it is moss. So he is a green, I would say, and it's hard because I'm wearing green. So he doesn't look as green next to me, but he's more of like sage green. I'd say my shirt's kind of moss green, kind of like olive green, but he's a lighter like sage green. And, as we know, no cuties are ever safe in my mystery box reveal videos, because there we go, I just dropped them. So this is the moss cutie, and then this is the closest one I can find to it, and this is Seafoam. And that's not the only thing that's new in this box, because we have a material in here that is actually one of Cricut's new materials. This is the flocked iron-on. So it's like fuzzy, I say it's fuzzy wuzzy. But you can go ahead and use this iron-on projects. I actually just used this in a project. I redid my Christmas theme and no more buffalo plaid and gnomes, and I'm doing peppermint swirls and gingerbread. And I just made a candy cane lane pillow with this. And I'm gonna have a tutorial too showing you the pillow and how to make the pillow. But I loved adding this to it because it added texture to it. Like I used everyday iron-on, and then I used this for a bow on it. And it just makes it, to me, it makes it feel like, I say luxe. That's the word I like to use. It feels luxe. So we're getting 12 by 19 inches of the green flock iron-on. You can use this for Christmas projects, things. You can make like fuzzy wuzzy Christmas trees. Team colors, team sports, all sorts of things. Oh, and the sampler is so stinking pretty. This is the princess sampler. The glitter iron-on Cricut princess sampler. And it comes with these beautiful 3 colors. You get the beautiful pink, which is bubblegum. It's actually called bubblegum. And then you have lavender and white. But there you go. There you can see the colors. Bubblegum, lavender, and white. That is a beautiful sampler. And you're going to get 3 sheets of this. So each sheet's going to be 12 by 12 inches of sparkly goodness. And something else that's very fun is UV color changing iron-on. So this iron-on is going to be white, and then when you go in the sun or you have UV lights like black lights, it's going to turn violet. Very pretty. And that's not the only UV color changing we're getting, because we are also getting the white to yellow color changing too. So you can put these, put these together in a project, and then it looks all white, which white on white actually looks really neat. I don't know if you guys have seen those projects where they do that and they just do all white lettering on white. But then you go out in the sun and then it's kind of magical and you get the pretty colors. And each of those are 12 by 19 inches. I don't know if I said that. And something shiny, we are getting foil iron-on. This is in the pretty rose gold color. And this you're gonna get 12 by 24 inches. So you can go ahead, iron this on to your projects too, your shirts, whatever, and it gives that beautiful foil. Looks really pretty on pillows too, think pillow covers. And some more shine, we are getting Cricut's gold. Now this is the sports flex iron-on. So this iron-on is gonna have flex to it, and that is for those like active wear. So those things made out of polyester and nylon, those materials that like need flex with them. That's what you're gonna go ahead and use this on. You don't wanna put this on like high cotton blends because it's not gonna adhere properly, but all that active wear, think jerseys, you can do jerseys and everything. This looks great on that. This is 11.8 by 24 inches. And we're getting another Sports Flex iron-on in silver. So we have both the silver and the gold. And you may notice the packaging looks different, right? Because these are both Sports Flex, but this one here is the newer packaging. So same stuff, just different package. So this also will be the same size. And we're almost done. And the last item we can always use, I don't care if you have 100 of these, which Melody had probably I'm not lying, Melody probably had 150 or 200 of these in her house. Cricut standard grip mats. You're going to get a 2-pack of the 12-inch by 12-inch standard grip Cricut mats. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Crescent Moon mystery box. And because we got our Cutie, oh, this isn't the Cutie we got, but I already put him in the box so I don't drop him again. But because we got the Cutie, the box is available to Access members only. But in the links below, not only are the links to purchase the box, but there's links to go ahead, join Access, and then that will show you all the benefits of joining Access, which there's a ton of benefits. And one of those benefits is you always save on your purchases from Cricut. So this box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but you get your Access discount. And so sorry to interrupt your Thanksgiving festivities, but how exciting for a new Cricut mystery box. And leave a comment below, what do you think of this box? I thought this box was beautiful and fun, and I love this box, actually. And I know a lot have said like, oh, I got so much vinyl. There's no vinyl on this. Which I know some people are like, oh, I have too much vinyl. And this box is iron-on, which is nice because Christmas is coming up, and think how fabulous all those gifts you can make with iron-on. I mean, I do pillowcases, wine blanks, shirts, totes, all sorts of things. Customize. You can make kitchen towels. You can make custom clothing, all that kind of stuff. Customize some shoes. That's really cool too. I need to do that actually. So thank you for joining us today. I am so sorry to interrupt our American friends' Thanksgiving festivities. You're probably arm deep in a turkey right now. Well, dinner would be late. Turkey's probably in the oven right now. But hope your day is filled with family and love and comfort and joy and just lots of things, which I am so thankful for all you guys. You have no idea how thankful Alex and I and the rest of Melody Lane Inspired are for you guys. To our admin team, who we can never praise them enough. They are amazing. To Cricut for allowing us to bring this to you. To our amazing Patreon supporters, shout out to you guys. And then just you guys who watch the videos, like the videos, comment. Oh, my birthday is tomorrow. I just figured out I'm actually going to be closer to 50 tomorrow than I am 40. I haven't thought of that. But all I want for my birthday is just give us a like, a comment, a share, use our links. That is the best gift you can give. You guys have a great day. Hope you guys gobble till you wobble. I actually seen somebody just posted a project and it said, I gobble, then I wobble. And I thought that was so funny. I think I may wobble all the time anyway, but I thought that was pretty funny and cute to put on something. So thank you guys so much for joining us. And until next time, happy crafting, guys. Bye. Oh, giveaways. Our giveaway is running for two more days. So go ahead and enter that. 10 times a day. You can enter up to 10 times per day. And somebody's going to win $100 to spend at Cricut.com. And then you get to pick what items you like. So, and take advantage of those Black Friday sales. Ooh, in the links or in the comments below, go ahead and leave a comment of the best crafting Black Friday deal you have found. Because we're searching for the good deals and we want to know. So let us know. So until next time, friends, happy crafting. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Gobble, gobble.